This vibrant fluoroburst is another stunner that has passed with flying colours at Ausbreed's testing facility.
Fluoroburst callistemon is a semi-compact fine-leaf callistemon that is great as a feature plant or for mass planting and hedging. It has good frost and drought tolerance once established and will tolerate full sun to partly shaded positions.
The hot fluoro pink flowers is reason enough to add this to any landscape, but couple that with its sheer toughness and you have a real cracker of a plant.
Fluoroburst callistemon will brighten up any landscape with its vivid, beautiful, deep fluorescent flowers. This pretty pink flowering plant is really tough. Just look at the soil it's growing in. Just a little rain or wind or a little time and these flowers clean themselves. How good is that? I wish the dish is self-cleaned.
Fluoroburst adds vibrant colour to hedging, mass planting or feature and specimen planting. Eye-catching and tough is what explains Fluoroburst best.